Hello, it's me, Joseph, again. So today's the day we are going to begin premiering a new video today because I am simply going to create a video called Dun 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 My New Nintendo Switch. Not just a Nintendo Switch, that was made like last year. So what we're going to be doing today is going to play Super Mario Maker 2. I am not going to be doing like a live stream yet. So I will do a first world for you guys because I can't, and then the second world too. So let's begin, shall we? I'm gonna create a new game, just so you know. So let's begin. First up, was that easy? We start with 5 lives, and that's what we simply do. Here we go. Come on, we get this. Aww. Oh, look at that. I got that. I jumped in there. It went like this, and then it jumped in there. Nice. That was really weird. I am seriously. He jumped. Mario just jumped. I am seriously really ridiculous. That is so weird. I don't know why I jumped that through in the Koopa Troopas. That's really a shame. If you guys watch this video. And then I have to turn up the volume so you can hear it, guys. Ugh. What am I doing? And there it goes. My new lovely thing it got down. He went this way and then down. Sorry, Mario. Oh, so hopefully I can get started. Also, Christmas Day is coming this way. By next month it's gonna be, and I won't be able to stream on Twitch December 3rd because I have important appointments on December 3rd, so I won't be doing any more premieres because I gotta verify my account with on phone. So yeah, come on, you could do this. Let's hope so we can get a win. Do I missed one? I did. I think I did. Darn it. Can I get back over? No, I'm gonna start over. See, I'm not stopping this premiere until I get it. I forgot that last Koopa Troopa on the other side. Sorry, guys. And also, I can't. I'm only getting 15 minutes video, so yeah. Got all the keys. So let's see how we can do. Oh boy. Look, that Mario, that is so unbelievable. I have 15 lives. Okay, pop to win. Come on, pop, 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 pop. 3 1-ups. Nicely done. Then the second one, just for you guys, just for knowing. Star. Give me that star. Okay, focus. Look at that. This try. Alright. Alright, next up. Defeat Iggy. This is really gonna be a longest, so yeah, this is like a serious problems. Also, the Dino Squad is Chomp Squad, not Dino Squad. Why do I keep saying that? That's really a weird thing I ever seen. I don't know what that is. Get out of here, Larry. And I won't be able to stream because on Twitch, but I will be meeting you on Twitch. So be sure to check out my Twitch for more info because I will be streaming more. Get back here. I want to stomp you. There we go. Man, this Iggy Koopa is so weird. Oh my god. Thank you, Iggy. Come on. Go ahead. That was really... At least I didn't die. That's really a process ways. That's the reason. I'm into the final course, guys. And then after this world, I'll end my premiere. After this course, I will end this premiere. Castle Remix. That's why I made this course, guys. So if you want to check it out. And this time I wanted to defeat Bowser. I don't want to show you guys the fire because that's really a shame. Anyways, that will close this premiere. So yeah, I am sorry, but I'm gonna have to stop this premiere because I don't want to waste my time having 15 minutes because it's required for me. So peace out, guys.